Freelancing refers to a form of self-employment where individuals offer their skills, services, or expertise to clients or businesses on a temporary or project basis, rather than being employed by a single employer on a long-term basis. Freelancers are often hired for specific tasks, projects, or assignments, and they typically have the flexibility to choose their own working hours and locations. Freelancers can work in a wide range of industries and professions, including writing, design, programming, marketing, consulting, photography, and more. They may serve clients locally, nationally, or even internationally, thanks to the availability of online platforms that connect freelancers with potential clients. One of the key benefits of freelancing is the autonomy it offers. Freelancers have the freedom to choose the projects they work on, set their own rates, and determine their own schedules. This can provide a greater sense of control and work-life balance compared to traditional employment. However, freelancing also comes with challenges. Freelancers are responsible for managing their own taxes, finding and securing clients, handling administrative tasks, and often dealing with irregular income flows. Overall, freelancing can be a rewarding career choice for those who value independence, flexibility, and the opportunity to work on a variety of projects in their chosen field. It's a growing trend in the modern workforce, with many individuals choosing to pursue freelancing as a means of achieving professional and personal fulfillment.